Yo, what is up, gang? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo, and today, as you've seen from the title, we got my weather balloon right here, we got the DRZ, and we are about to inflate this weather balloon using the exhaust from my DRZ. And I just want to say, before you guys are like, yo, Cleetus did this before you, I got this idea from Cleetus. So he did it on a car. I was like, how can I do this? I'm gonna do it on a dirt bike, change it up a little, see if it even works. So let's get into it. So as you see, we got the weather balloon here, and on the tip I put like a little PVC tube and some tape, and it should be able to fit perfectly into here like that. We just start the motor, and next thing you know, hopefully the DRZ doesn't float away. I don't know how big this weather balloon is. I just got off Amazon and I was like, let's try it out. Hopefully it works, and the bike flies away. Alright, gang, so we're just gonna push it in all the way because I do not want this thing popping out like the damn turbo whistles. Alrighty, gang, I think she's ready. We'll start up the DRZ and see what happens. Alrighty, gang, here we are, the moment of truth. Let's blow this thing up. Yeah. It's working. Bro, I can't believe this thing is actually working. What the hell? Let's go! Let's go! Oh my god. Let's go, that was crazy. Let me know if you want me to do a bigger weather balloon. This is just one I could find off Amazon for cheap, but I'm pretty sure they have huge ones. So let me know if you want to see that. Bro, this thing exploded and literally like so much puffy stuff came out of it. Holy crap, bro. Holy crap, bro. Yo, I thought this was gonna be a bigger balloon, bro. Like when I ordered this off Amazon, I literally thought it was gonna be like, I don't know, 30 foot.
Run it back, turbo.
I'm like pulling to the left trying to turn it and it's not moving, bro. Goddamn Supermoto tires. Yo, gang, we're out in the boonies right now, dude. This is literally Wheelski Central right here. Crazy how good this DRZ feels for having almost 37k miles, bro. 37,000. It's ridiculous. Not 3,700, 37,000. And I bought this bike when it had about 11k on it, so I had a little bit of miles already on it. So I put about 20, probably like 24K on it. Which ain't that bad, bro. I can't believe this thing is actually working. Let's go! Let's go! Bing! We just teleported from the DRZ to the good old 50. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know if you guys want to see me do a bigger balloon, like I said earlier. We're on this little 50, just cruising. See if I can get a little wheel skew going. Let's go, little one hand. Woo, swagging. There's so many cars, bro. Nothing better. Oh, and there's nothing better than some freaking 50 wheelies, bro. Let's see if I can get a stand up, bro. All right, gang, we're gonna hit a stand up. I know the view is gonna be crappy. Bro, these little 50s, bro, I'm telling you, they're so damn fun. Little stand up. Let's go. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Remember to stay motivated. We have merch in the description down below. I freaking love you. We got some banger videos coming. So yeah, I love you, gang. Till next time. Peace.